Welcome back to Carver's Kitchen, everybody. Today we are cooking Korean barbecue short ribs. You're going to get the packet, the applesauce substitute for vegetable oil, and the water all mixed together. That's the marinade for the meat. Make sure you put it on the meat, marinate it for at least 2 to 4 hours, ideally 8 to even overnight if possible. And then throw it on the pan for a good 4 to 5 minutes each side to get a nice sizzle slash sear on there. Oh ho ho, look at that. Get the rice, get the meat. There you go, everybody. Thanks for stopping by Carver's Kitchen, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hopefully you enjoy the Korean short ribs. Moment of truth. So good. So good.